Commodore, a new Holden, so advanced it'll challenge all your ideas about Australian cars. Commodore, the finest expression yet of Holden's radial tune suspension for superb road handling, confidence and supreme safety in any driving situation. With power plants from 2.8 litres. New standards of ride comfort for the Australian car. A noticeably small turning circle for a car this size.
This is it, and this time I know it's for real.
New Holden Commodore in 3 exciting models. At your Holden dealers now.
This is it, and this time I know it's for real. This is it.
Presenting Commodore SLE, the ultimate Commodore. Especially comforting in summer storms, with air conditioning, power steering, automatic transmission, 4.2 litre engine, radial tune suspension, power disc brakes all round, cast alloy wheels, spacious interior designed for driving comfort. Appointed in rich velour with exceptional rear passenger room, stereo, FM, AM radio and cassette player, full equipment.
This is it, and this time I know it's for real.
Holden Commodore SLE, a new kind of car for Australia. At your Holden dealer now.
This is it, and this time I know it's for real. This is it.
If you're looking for a new kind of driving excitement, combined with a new level of room and comfort, new Holden Commodore.
This is it.
This is a spacious driving environment for passenger and driver alike, with headroom and legroom to spare for 5 adults. If plenty of room is what you're looking for, Holden Commodore. It's the kind of car that could tempt anyone.
My son, there's room for all to share.
This is it.
What the wagon buyer has always needed, he has got. Room, reliability, dependability. But we think the wagon buyer wanted even more. And this is it. Now there's a new kind of wagon. Holden Commodore wagon. Sleek, trim, compact outside. Of course, Commodore Genius gives it the largest rear carrying space of any Holden wagon. But there's more. With radial tune suspension, it's a revelation in wagon handling. This wagon has full Commodore equipment at hand and rides comfortably. Commodore smooth and quiet. All because this wagon is more than a wagon. It's a Commodore. Commodore and Commodore SL wagon are at your Holden dealers now.
This is it.